There's a point where a vacuum stops being just a cleaning tool and starts quietly improving your everyday routine. If you've been dealing with pet hair, stubborn dust, or awkward corners that never quite get cleaned, this might be worth your attention. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we take a calm, honest look at products that aim to deliver real value. Today, we're reviewing the Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum with triple action brush roll, a thoughtfully designed upright vacuum built for homes that demand consistent, efficient cleaning, especially those with pets. If you're looking for a balance between performance, ease of use, and long-term practicality, this model positions itself as a strong contender. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. Reason 1. Effortless maneuverability in real homes. One of the most noticeable upgrades here is the swivel steering system. In everyday use, this translates into smoother navigation around furniture, tighter corners, and less physical effort while cleaning. Instead of constantly repositioning the vacuum, it adapts to your movement. For homes with layered layouts or frequent obstacles, this becomes less of a feature and more of a daily convenience. Reason 2. Reliable multi-surface cleaning performance. The triple action brush roll is designed to loosen, lift, and remove embedded dirt and pet hair across carpets and hard floors. What stands out is its consistency. Whether it's fine dust or heavier debris, it maintains steady pickup without requiring multiple passes. Combined with a multi-cyclonic suction system, performance remains stable even as the dirt tank fills, which is something many buyers value over time. Reason 3. Designed for pet owners. If you share your space with pets, this vacuum addresses some very specific challenges. From embedded fur in carpets to scattered litter on hard floors, the scatter-free technology helps contain debris rather than pushing it around. It also includes specialized pet tools, which extend its usefulness beyond floors to upholstery, stairs, and tight spaces. It's a practical solution for maintaining a clean, pet-friendly home. Reason 4. Extended reach without complication. The active extension wand offers up to 12 feet of reach, making it easier to clean above floor areas like curtains, shelves, and corners without needing additional tools or repositioning. This feature is particularly useful in reducing cleaning time, as you can transition from floors to higher surfaces seamlessly. Reason 5. Low maintenance ownership experience. The XL Easy Empty Dirt Tank is designed to reduce interruptions. Instead of frequent emptying, it allows for longer cleaning sessions, and the release mechanism is simple and controlled. Over time, this contributes to a smoother ownership experience, especially for larger homes or frequent cleaning routines. Trusted by many of 5-star reviewers, this aspect often stands out in long-term feedback. Reason 6. Meaningful brand mission. Bissell integrates a social impact element through its support of the Bissell Pet Foundation. While it doesn't directly affect performance, it adds a layer of value for buyers who appreciate brands contributing to animal welfare. It's a subtle but meaningful consideration for many households. Final verdict. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum positions itself as a dependable, well-rounded cleaning solution. It doesn't try to be overly complex, but instead focuses on delivering consistent performance where it matters most. There are limitations. This is still a corded upright vacuum, so storage and mobility may not suit every user, particularly those seeking ultra-compact or cordless designs. However, for households with pets, mixed flooring, and a need for reliable suction and maneuverability, it stands out as a practical and thoughtfully designed option. If you're looking for a vacuum that prioritizes real-world usability over unnecessary features, this is one you can consider with confidence. Take a moment to explore the link in the description and decide if it aligns with your home and your expectations.